it going? Can I walk around it?
Yeah.
And they sell the engines in front.
That's how they get in there?
Yeah. Right. The drive shaft loops there. Well, they're the original. Look at the rear discs here. Yeah, because they have it on the front and rear of the axle.
Why?
It's just easier to contain it in there.
Instead of on the wheels?
Yeah. Man, that's so cool. So here's Snakebite, right? What rendition of Snakebite or what truck is this now?
This is 16, I'm not positive.
This is
The newest version doesn't go out very often.
Oh yeah?
He does.
Yeah.
Changeable.
All right. Man, look at this up in Snakebite here. So what size engine is this? You know?
572.
572.
Yeah.
It's got a nice blower on there too.
Like cool though from like the engine?
So which 19 here?
This is 19, yeah.
All right. You guys got the engines dropped down more on these now. It's incredible to see the evolution of this stuff. You know, again, from going to this truck to that to here. Is the here? There's an electric truck now.
Yeah, that's number 20, but I have no idea where that's at right now. It is weird when you see a big monster truck with no noise. It just sounds like a big remote control car.
Right. Look at the size. There's the big ones.
Here.
Oh, look at that top foot. Yeah.
So what's that called?
What? That's a 4-link arm. Tubular arms. Yeah.
It's like
so
when your
one of
car's really small.
the- Yes, exactly. Yeah, it's a big adjustable control arm. Oh, I know. The detail on this stuff's incredible. It's wild to see how far the bodies have evolved from what I was used to as a kid.
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Man.
21, this is the latest one.
All right. I know, yeah, that's quite a jack there. It's even got a power system on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got the Bigfoot right on the jack. Oh, man.
Helps out, it shows when they put the tires on.
Oh, I can imagine. This got to be a lot to lift up. Oh, guys are here working on it.
For what they're doing.
Hey, they're testing, sounds like maybe fuel pumps or?
Yeah.
Oh. Some old stuff from the old events on the wall.
Wall of shame.
Yeah. The hood here.
Yep.
Matt, are those a set of wheels? Are they that wide?
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, I knew they were wide, but
You should see them putting the tires on.
I could imagine, yeah, that it would be involved. Hey, so how do you even go about putting a tire on something like that?
Oh, I've seen them use all sorts of tools, including forklifts.
Oh yeah, forklift.
Yeah.
Oh
There's no
man.
machine for that one.
Right? There's like fab room over here.
Kinda. Yeah.
It's quite a workshop.
Yeah.
That's nice, man. I like it.
Just the body shop and where they take care of the
All right.
trailers.
So is this one getting ready to go onto a truck here?
Yeah, it's either there or they took the decals off and everything.
Oh, all right.
I'm not sure.
Man, yeah, look at the body here.
It's probably getting ready for something.
All right. Yeah, again, you don't see them off the truck that much. It's the first time I've seen one like this.
Yeah.
It's all fiberglass still? All right.
Yep.
Oh, there's a Bigfoot rig. It's quite an impressive shop you guys have here. And you got the paint booth, and I like it. Cool, man. I definitely appreciate you walking around here with us.
No problem.
Look at this thing. Just underneath Bigfoot. That is intense. There's like a 4-foot chain drive that drops the engine down to the drivetrain.
Look at my leaf springs.
Oh, I know. Yeah, there's a lot of leaf springs there. It's holding up a lot of truck. The axle assembly and the hub. Rear steer mechanisms. Got to get up in the wheel. Their famous thing is you can stand inside these wheels